June brings some of the shortest days of the year. Average daylight hours are 8.9 to 9.5 hours. The winter solstice occurs around the 21st of June. This is the shortest day of the year and marks the point where daylight gradually begins increasing again. Typical temperatures are now 11 to 15 degrees max and 2 to 6 degrees minimum. Frosts become common inland and in southern regions. Snow may begin appearing on mountain ranges and occasionally reaches lower elevations. Rainfall patterns vary considerably. The west coast often experiences frequent rain, while eastern regions may enjoy crisp, sunny winter days. Although growth slows considerably, many vegetables continue producing throughout winter. Winter is prime time for broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts. Plants established during autumn are now maturing and providing harvests. Kale often becomes sweeter after exposure to frost. Excellent winter harvests include carrots, parsnips, beetroot, swedes, turnips. Many root crops can remain in the soil until required. Cool temperatures suit spinach, silver beet, winter lettuce, Asian greens. Growth is slower, but plants remain productive. Leeks are one of the stars of the winter garden. They tolerate frost and provide harvests throughout the colder months. Gardeners often assume sowing stops in winter. Not true. Protected growing areas still allow planting. Direct sowing in milder regions. Broad beans, peas, spinach, winter lettuce, greenhouse. Sowing includes early cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, lettuce, spring onions. Starting seedlings now provides a head start for spring planting. June is perhaps the best month to improve soil. Tasks include adding compost. Spread mature compost over empty beds. Winter rain gradually washes nutrients into the soil profile. Mulches help reduce erosion, suppress weeds, protect soil biology, improve moisture retention. Suitable mulches include straw, shredded leaves, compost, wood chips, green manure crops. If beds are empty, consider planting lupins, oats, mustard field peas. These crops improve soil structure and fertility. One of the greatest free resources in any garden arrives during autumn and early winter. Leaves. Instead of sending them to landfill, turn them into leaf mold. Simply gather leaves into wire cages, large bins, compost bays. Allow them to decompose naturally. After 12 to 24 months, they become a rich soil conditioner, highly valued by gardeners. Leaf mold improves water retention and encourages beneficial soil organisms. June is an ideal month to inspect fruit trees. Many deciduous trees have now dropped their leaves. Tasks include winter pruning, remove dead branches, crossing branches, diseased wood, collect fallen fruit and leaves beneath trees. Winter can be challenging for birds. Natural food sources are often less abundant. Gardeners can help. Plant winter flowering species. Consider Kauai camellias grevilleas. Winter flowering natives. These provide nectar and shelter, provide water. Fresh water is essential throughout winter. Bird baths should be cleaned regularly. Leave some wild areas. Leaf litter and shrubs support insects that many native birds rely upon. You may see Tui Pirikawaka tauho, silver eye, Kereroo bellbirds in some regions. June can be an excellent month for observing nature. Look for Kereroo feeding on berries, harrier hawks soaring on clear days, wintering ducks on wetlands, New Zealand falcons in rural areas, migratory shorebirds on estuaries. Successful spring gardens are usually planned during winter. Use June to review what grew well, order seeds, repair garden structures, clean tools, build compost bins, design new beds. Planning during winter dramatically improves productivity later in the year. While plants grow more slowly, the work you do now improves soil health, supports wildlife, prepares future crops, and sets the stage for a productive spring. Whether you're growing vegetables in a large backyard, a raised bed, or even a single pot on a patio, winter offers plenty of opportunities to stay connected with nature and keep your garden thriving. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this look at the first month of winter in New Zealand, please like, subscribe, and share the video. I'd also love to hear what you're growing in your garden this winter. Leave a comment below, and until next time, happy gardening.